Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Framer for beginners, and also we will create a portfolio. Here, when you create your account, you will be directed here on your workplace. You can add a folder here, you can see your archive, and you can see all of your project. So first, create a project by clicking on this new project. I already created it, so I'll just click on it. And here, you have many tutorials like this one, 2, 3, 4, 5 tutorials. You can watch the videos. Now, to make a portfolio, click on this plus button or insert. Here you can have a templates. For now, I will use this template named portfolio. Here you can see the page that you've created. You can edit the title here, the position, size. You can add effects, overlays, cursor. You can change the cursor, style, and you can transform it. You can add another text, and so on. Here, you can add your pictures here. You can reposition it also, and many other things. You can move it like this, like that. At top, you can see here inserts. Like I've said, the templates, you can see here the templates for pages, sections, navigation, and menus. For CMS, you have your collections, field, and elements. You can add elements for the page that you're using. Like this one, fit. Okay. You can have a media, forms, and many other things. Here on layout, you can see frame, rows, columns, grid. You can add image and videos. On text, you can add this text. On CMS, that's basically it. And on the plugins, now you can simply edit this portfolio on your own creativity, and that's basically it.